Hello, this is a community education video in English by Catholic Charities Milwaukee. Today we will talk about monthly cleanings you can do to keep your kitchen clean. Every part of the house needs a deep cleaning every month, especially the kitchen. It is important to clean places that are hard to reach, such as the floor underneath the stove, the fridge, and inside the cabinets. When a regular basic cleaning routine is in place, cleaning monthly becomes easier. Watch our previous videos to build a daily cleaning routine. Deep clean. For monthly cleaning, you must go deeper than surface cleaning, such as wiping down countertops and sinks. You can start by emptying out the cabinets and drawers and wiping them thoroughly. Wipe down cabinet doors and dust the tops of the cabinet and refrigerators. If your fridge and oven move, clean underneath them. Throw away old sponges and kitchen towels that can no longer be used. Restock cleaning supplies such as multipurpose cleaners and dish soaps. If needed, replace brooms and mops. Organize. Organizing can make a big difference in your cleaning routine, and it's easier to find things. Wipe down shelves and organize the pantry to see what snacks and staples like rice, flour, and pasta you have. Check expiration dates for cooking spices and canned food. Throw away expired products and items that have been opened and set unused for a while because they can attract tiny bugs or bacteria. Take down the newspaper on the wall if you have any, and clean the walls of dust and grease. Fridge and oven. It is important to deep clean the fridge, since that's where most food are stored. Empty it out and throw away any foods that have bad smell or have mold. Take out any removable shelves and drawers and wash them in the sink with warm, soapy water. Wipe the inside of the fridge and dry it with clean towel. Remember to clean the doors as well. Check the freezer and throw away any meat or other products that have been there for too long, especially if you see that they have changed color or have a layer of ice on them. If you use your oven, scrub off the baked on food or check to see if your oven has a self-cleaning function. Wipe inside the oven even if you don't use it because dust can be there. Keep schedule. To keep up the cleaning routine and the good habit you build, make a checklist of things to clean and hang it on the fridge. To make things easier for yourself, you can divide the tasks by days. For example, Monday is mopping day, Tuesday is towel cleaning day. If you stay on top of your daily and weekly cleaning, then your monthly cleaning and seasonal ones will be easier. Thank you for watching. Please share this with your friends and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you to our sources who provided information for this video. Thank you to our partners at Milwaukee Public Schools. This video was made possible by the generous support of our grant funders.